Hi, welcome to another math tutorial video. This time I'm running fractions as repeating decimals, and I'm doing this on Khan Academy. I thought I'd show you a couple of these. So first off, I call these fractions here, such as 7/8, cowboys and horses. My students know that pretty well, and I do this because all fractions are division problems, and I could then take this as a division problem. So the cowboy rides on top of the horse, and when they go to sleep, the cowboy sleeps inside and the horse sleeps outside. So it tells you the order of where these numbers need to go in your division, and then you just divide. There's the decimal point, and 8 doesn't go into 7, but it goes into 70. 8 times? 8 times 8 is 64, and that's 6, and add a 0, and 8 goes into 60. Let's see, 7 times, which is 56, and then you subtract that, and that's 40, and that goes down, so it's 0.875. And the difference between, so you're looking at either this one or this one. Now, this one 0.875 with the bar here, that means I better erase this here because I need the space. So that means 0.8757575. That just keeps on repeating. So that's not what we had. It definitely was a terminating, or one that comes to an end. And so our answer should be C, and I'm going to enter that here. Got it. Okay, I'll do a couple more here. 13 over 75. Well, I'm going to erase my stuff here, and I'm going to apply that same idea. Cowboys and horses. So the 13 is the cowboy and the horse is the 75. No, 75. 75 does not go into 1. It doesn't go into 13. Put a decimal there, but it will go into 130. I believe that's it's probably 2 times. 75. Whoa, that was loud. So anyway, let's see, 75 times 2 is 150. I pause for a moment because this goes in 1 time. So I can stop right here. I mean, look at this. I have 0.2, no, 0.2, okay, no, 0.3, 0.3, no. It's right off the bat. It's got to be this right here. Got it. So sometimes you don't even have to do the whole problem. 1/8. Let's see. I'll erase this, and hopefully you see that all of them just follow the same kind of idea. Uh, 8 going into 1, but it doesn't go into 1, and I put a decimal there. 0, 8 goes into 10 1 time. Okay, so far, when I do this, I'm eyeing each of these. 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, so the next one's going to be quite telling. So that's 8, right? And then this is 2. I got to add a 0. 8 goes into 20 2 times. And so once again, I'm looking at this and I see 0.12, and this is 11, 11, 16, 16. It's going to have to be none of them. Sometimes you could just stop early and know that, hey, that's the answer for that. So that's what you got to do for each of these, and I hope it's been helpful. Good luck.